In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Facebook to WordPress without a plugin. This quick guide is designed to help you seamlessly embed Facebook content into your WordPress site, and we'll walk through the process step by step to ensure clarity and ease of use. Let's start by making our way to WordPress.com. Once you're on the homepage, move your attention to the top right corner where you'll find the Login button. Give that a click. Now this will take you to the sign in page, which offers different options for accessing your account. For this tutorial, proceed by clicking on the option that says continue with Google. This method is straightforward, especially if you already have your Google account set up. Now you'll see a list of your Google accounts. From here, select the Google account that's connected to your WordPress site. This will authorize WordPress to access this specific account so you can manage your site efficiently. After successfully logging in, you'll land on your WordPress dashboard. On the right panel, locate Quick Links, a convenient tool for rapid navigation. Within Quick Links, find and click on the Edit Site option. This is your gateway to modifying and customizing your WordPress site, content, and layout. With Edit Site open, you'll notice a variety of options to tweak different aspects of your web page. Here, you're aiming to add a new block to your post or page. To do this, look for the plus icon. It might be labeled Add Block and is typically located within your editor's toolbar. Click that icon and a search bar will appear. Now this part is critical. Type in Facebook. What you're doing here is filtering through all available blocks to find the specific Facebook content block that you need to embed items directly from Facebook. Up next is selecting Facebook Embed. Clicking on this block will bring up a prompt within your editor. You'll be asked to enter the URL of the Facebook content you wish to share. This could be a post, a video, or any other Facebook media you want to appear right on your WordPress site. Simply copy the URL from your Facebook content and paste it into the provided field. After inputting the URL, you should see a preview of your Facebook content seamlessly integrated into your page. It's a quick process, but this little step makes all the difference in connecting your audiences across platforms. You've now successfully set up Facebook to WordPress without the need for additional plugins, allowing your site to stay nimble and responsive. So there you have it, a simple way to bridge Facebook and WordPress, enhancing the interactivity of your site without the hassle of managing external plugins. I hope you found this guide helpful. If you did, consider sharing it with others who might benefit from this straightforward approach to site enhancement. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.